What's going on, family? Black Finish checking in. You see where I'm at. We're getting everything together so that way we can start working in the morning. Right now, we just lining everything out. We working on the bridge. We got a lot of stuff to do. So we're going to be out here networking, family. Getting our hog on.
Follow me over here and we'll walk the job and I'll show you all exactly what the black hole.
We out here getting our hog on. I didn't even know you could walk the old bridge.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to come and walk it one day. I didn't know you can walk the old bridge. You can walk the old bridge. Somebody come out here and walk this thing. Yeah, from one side to the other.
Yep.
They even got a little RV park. That's where I be at. If I stay in my RV, I park where I be staying right there. Oh, can you?
I literally live like a mile that way.
Oh, that's good.
Right on the river.
Oh, so this is truly a blessing for you. You winning on this one.
Yeah.
Oh, you winning on this. Exactly. Exactly. You can't lose. You got a win-win situation.
Yeah. You said we're following him over there?
Yeah, I think we're driving over there and following where we're going to be at. Oh, I thought we was walking. I don't know. I guess we're driving. I don't know where is it. Let's see where is it. Might need to ask him. We out here getting it in. All right.